Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another cash stuffing video. Happy Tuesday guys and Merry Christmas Eve. So I hope everybody got everything ready for Christmas. Our family is going to do Christmas Day. So tonight I'm just going to wrap presents with like a glass of wine once everybody goes to sleep, and then I'll put everything under the tree. So in today's video, we are going to be cash stuffing my wallet, and I wanted to show you a new product in the shop. I want to say thank you to you guys who ordered a lot of the savings challenges. So I did post these online, and they're individual savings challenges. So we have senior year, we have car, we have new home, we have college fund, Christmas, and nails. And all of these are reusable. So thank you guys for the purchases. These actually, which was the one who sold out? New home sold out. So I'm super excited about that everybody's thinking for 2025 to get a new home. And these are reusable, like I said, and you put the amount you want to save in each of them. And they also come with a frosted zippered envelope for your A6 binders. Okay, so let's get into cash stuffing. There's not a lot to do in my wallet. There was some money left over. And as you saw in the front of the video, I'm cash stuffing $55 into my wallet. So let's start with groceries. So groceries is going to get $10. And the kids are home this week from school. They're on their Christmas break. So I don't think we're going out as much. It's just hard with all the kids to go out. But groceries is going to get $10 just in case. Toiletries has $5 in it from last week, so I'm just going to roll that over. Out to eat is going to get $10, and I'll be cooking more this week. Now I have to do like breakfast, lunch, and dinner because the kids are home. So as far as out to eat, I feel like we're not going to be buying food outside like that. So that's going to get $10. Kids is going to get $10. Even though they got Christmas presents, I feel like they don't need anything either, but it usually gets spent. They always ask for something. So kids, 10. Spending is going to get $10. Self-care is going to get $10. As far as self-care, I really don't need anything, but it always somehow gets spent. Like if the girls need anything from Target, as far as like, even though I have the toiletries, but I have two girls that are like into the whole preteen thing. So they like always want something at Target. Miscellaneous has $10. So I'm going to keep 10 in there. And I think for toiletries, since there was $5 left over, I think I'm going to add another $5 to this. So everything has $10 in it this week. Okay. So that's that. And that is everything for my wallet. Now I wanted to show you guys, I am working on a savings challenge, and I'll introduce this on Mondays. So these are like simple savings challenges. They're all like $1 based, right? And then I did buy like a dice, and it's a colorful dice. So it has yellow, it has purple, it has pink, it has blue, it has red, and it has green on it. I still haven't received them yet. And then this is the color of the challenge. It's called Colorful Dollar Mondays. So this will be done on Mondays. I'll like tell you guys how it works and everything on Monday, next Monday. But we will be playing this challenge. I have to put these into the frosted envelopes. And these are just like quick ways to save money. For this challenge, I'll do it every Monday, and it will be available in my shop. It's not on just yet because I want to show you guys how it works next Monday. Yeah, this is a cute little game. We have this one. We have put the money in the bag, laundry money, caught in the wind, Christmas ornaments, even though Christmas is almost over, and complete the grass field. So yeah, I'll introduce this to you guys later on in the week or next Monday, whenever the dice come in, and show you guys how it works. And I'll be using these on Monday. I'll dedicate a video just to this challenge right here, because it will take some time. So hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. Merry Christmas to everybody. I do not believe I am filming on Christmas because it's just going to be like a relaxed day with my family. They open their presents in the morning. So it's basically like a chill day, but I still have to cook breakfast. We usually do like a brunch and then a big dinner. So Merry Christmas to all you guys and your families. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.